A giant star that has watched over humanity for thousands of years is once again raising alarm among astronomers. New observations of Betelgeuse, one of the brightest and largest stars visible from Earth, are forcing scientists to ask a question that sounds like science fiction. Could we be witnessing the final stages of a dying star? NASA and observatories around the world have been closely monitoring this cosmic giant after a series of unusual events that continue to challenge scientific understanding. And tonight, we're bringing you the latest developments. This image you're seeing right now was captured by NASA. It shows Betelgeuse, a massive red supergiant located approximately 640 light years away in the constellation Orion. To the naked eye, it appears as a small orange-red point of light, but appearances can be deceiving. Because this is not an ordinary star, Betelgeuse is one of the largest stars ever discovered, a cosmic giant so enormous that if it were placed at the center of our solar system, it would engulf Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and extend far beyond them. Yet despite its incredible size, scientists believe Betelgeuse is running out of time. Unlike stars such as our Sun, which can live for billions of years, massive stars live fast and die young. And when their fuel finally runs out, they don't quietly fade into darkness. They explode in a supernova, one of the most powerful and violent events in the entire universe. For a few brief weeks, a single exploding star can outshine billions of stars combined. And according to astronomers, Betelgeuse is one of the closest known stars capable of producing such an event. That's why what happened in late 2019 shocked the scientific community. Without warning, Betelgeuse began to fade. Night after night, astronomers watched as the giant star lost a significant portion of its brightness. The event became known as the Great Dimming, and almost immediately, speculation spread throughout the astronomy world. Had the countdown begun? Was humanity about to witness a supernova in real time? Observatories across the globe redirected their instruments toward the star. Researchers worked around the clock. News outlets began reporting on the strange behavior. And for the first time in decades, Betelgeuse became one of the most talked about objects in space. Eventually, the star recovered much of its brightness, but the mystery didn't disappear. In fact, it only deepened. Scientists later discovered that Betelgeuse had unleashed an enormous cloud of material into space, a violent eruption unlike anything previously observed from the star. Further studies revealed unusual pulsations, strange brightness cycles, and evidence suggesting that a hidden companion star may be orbiting nearby. Each new discovery seemed to raise even more questions. What exactly is happening inside Betelgeuse? Why is the star behaving so strangely? And most importantly, how close is it to exploding? According to current estimates, Betelgeuse could still survive for tens of thousands of years. But astronomers admit that predicting the death of a red supergiant is incredibly difficult. No one has ever observed the final years of a star like this in such detail before. There is no complete rulebook, no guaranteed warning signs, and that uncertainty is exactly why Betelgeuse remains under constant observation. But perhaps the most astonishing part of this story has nothing to do with the star itself. It has to do with distance. Betelgeuse is located approximately 640 light years away from Earth. That means every image, every measurement, every observation scientists make today is actually showing the star as it appeared 640 years ago. The light reaching our planet tonight left Betelgeuse sometime during the 1300s, before modern science, before telescopes, before humanity even understood what stars truly were. In other words, we are not seeing Betelgeuse as it exists today. We are seeing a 640-year-old version of it, and that leads to a truly unsettling possibility. If Betelgeuse exploded 100 years ago, we wouldn't know. If it exploded 50 years ago, we wouldn't know. Even if the star exploded this very moment, humanity would have to wait centuries before witnessing the event. The light simply hasn't arrived yet, which means the answer to one of astronomy's greatest mysteries may already be racing toward Earth at the speed of light. Somewhere in the darkness between the stars, the truth is traveling toward us right now. A message from a dying giant. A message that could one day transform the night sky forever. So should we be worried? According to scientists, the answer is no. Even if Betelgeuse explodes tomorrow, Earth is far enough away to remain safe. The event would be spectacular rather than dangerous. A once-in-a-civilization cosmic display visible across the planet. A new light shining in the sky where a familiar red star once stood. But while there may be no danger, there is still tremendous mystery because every new observation seems to reveal something unexpected. Every new image raises new questions, and every new discovery reminds us how little we truly know about the lives and deaths of the universe's largest stars. Stay tuned. The story is just beginning.